Yo, what is it, guys? So there's new traveling merchant. Why is there so many nerfs instead of buffs this time? Hero Wars 4. They made the simple and one emerald. Why did they have to nerf it? Like, god damn, bruh. So many nerfs. Like, chill. God damn. You don't have to nerf it. Like, chill out with the nerfs. Like, not all of them were nerfs though, but it's fine. I'll be 9 minutes into every match. Alright, is there a match for this? Oh wait, it's just in random matches, but I'll get ahead into it in the lucky blocks. Knockback charm. I don't know why my teammates being toxic or something. I don't know why that gun or whatever it is not in the shop. Like, teammate, chill. My man trying to be Pack God. Why is there so many Pack God wannabes these days, though? Teammate, are you gonna rush? Alright, one of them fell. They're idiots. They suck Marcus because they're fatter than this more. And I just killed one of them. Hold on. There. I fixed something that won't let me move my mouse. Alright, teammate. Alright, thank you for taking my kill, I guess. Damn, Pink. My teammate just got roasted by Red. To be honest, I wouldn't let that slide. This is what... Bro. Teammate, stop being toxic. Oh wait, I think... Oh wait, Red is being toxic. Why am I so blind? Why was I so blind? Alright, I managed to kill them though. Alright, I'll go get the bed. And Axolotl Amy fell in the void like an idiot. Like, bro, Yellow sucks Marcus so much because they're fatter than this more, honestly. Alright, because Yellow sucks Marcus. Well, Red is toxic. Like, Red probably sucks Marcus because they're probably fatter than Miss Moore. Like, 90% of the people that play Bedwars are fatties. Fatter than Miss Moore, though. Not one of them, though. I only use 90% of the Bedwars players are fat as a joke, but in reality, it means that they're sweaty. It means that they're avoid sweats and stuff. Yeah, the obesity. I only fat shamed them as a joke. Diamond armor guy, chill. Marcus, chill. Let's go kill. Never mind. My teammate. I can go kill Red with my teammate. Alright. Good job, teammate. Good job. I can just help. Alright, kill. Marcus. Why were you so rude to you egghead? You egghead, why are you so rude? Alright, I managed to kill one of them. Get eggheaded on for being toxic. Alright, I managed to build up because that guy sucks Marcus and cannot build up. He may be lucky, but he doesn't know I built up. He doesn't know I'm gonna get iron armor either because he's so egg-headed. Alright, good thing I got damage tier 1, so my teammate can enter Red's whole career. It's cute. I know I got a champion that sucks Marcus, but it's fine. Because Red is fatter than this more anyway. Since Red got entire rage bite, we gotta be careful. I won't be surprised. Like, look, Zandy is toxic to Sai when he doesn't say I don't feel so good, but like they said I don't care. Like, nobody asked you, Red. That's why you got egg-headed on. That's why you suck Marcus so much. Right, teammate. Get egg-headed on. You suck Marcus. Yeah, I know. These kids, like, look. I said these toxic kids suck. Okay, I know, they're so egg-headed, bro. Like, god damn. That's why I said that, because they're so egg-headed. Like, they're trash and egg-headed, like Marcus. They're trash because they suck Marcus and Miss Moore's fatty. Bro, y'all are egg-headed. Shut up. You suck Marcus. Bro, get egg-headed on, Red. That's why you suck Marcus. You egghead. No eggheads allowed in Roblox anyway. You cry. I saw Cosmic Light. Alright. Good. I'm not gonna pick the trumpet, it's so weak. But whatever. I made the clutch. Cause I'm not egg-headed like Marcus. Alright, so I'm gonna go place the solar panel right here for emeralds. Hopefully no one steals it, especially Marcus the egg-headed. So, I don't need that much useless stuff. Not all I need is diamond armor, which is good enough. Well, not done now, I also need big ender pearls as well. Bro, Marcus, chill! You egg-headed, stop teaming, you egghead! You suck, Marcus, that's why you have to team. That's right, run Marcus' girlfriend. Run Marcus's girlfriend. Stop playing with me, boy. You egghead. Oh, Marcus's girlfriend. Stop playing with me. I'm not involving. I'm not dumb. You know I can just teleport to you, you know. You suck, oh wait, Cloud. You know, it's not enough. You got egg-headed on. You suck, Marcus. Alright, they suck, Marcus. I don't know why these Marcus suckers think they're better than us, honestly. Like, only me and my teammate can get it, cause they're eggheads. Like Marcus, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get myself more blocks as well. Alright, there. I let you get some lips, teammate. Alright, I told him that I'm also a YouTuber, since he's also subscribed to me. He's not toxic at all like Marcus the Egg-headed. Even if he is, he wouldn't be that much as Marcus. And I guess they lied about the nerf. It's okay if you lie about the nerf though. Just don't lie about the buff though. That's the main point. Marcus, you don't know? You do realize I just teleported, you egghead? You do realize I can just teleport anytime, you egghead? Alright, there's preparing shop. Hold on, guys, we gotta be patient though. Now I'm gonna get the lucky buff just in case any eggheads get it. Alright, good. I got it. Good thing I got it first. Bro, chill. Marcus. Healing buff. Bro, Marcus, chill. Marcus, stop. Marcus, stop. You egghead. Alright, cost us 10 emeralds for that. Alright, I guess I have to go get some M's and then buy it later. I got your user 4K, so I got your user 4K. Chill. Marcus, chill. You suck. That's the nicest thing that anyone has ever told me. If they go up, they suck. They can't, because they're eggheads. Marcus, you suck. Bro, I died because of Marcus, bro. Anyways, guys, bro, I can't because of Marcus. If you guys enjoyed today's video, subscribe, please. I'm trying to, but Marcus